on a collision area between gender identity and sexual orientation. I am Tanis Corley Leonardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. Today I'm filming this Friday, 7 March 2025, and I'm going to highlight one collision area where gender identity and sexual orientation are connected. This is when a person likes people of a certain gender and changes their own gender without the gender of the people they like changing. Then their sexual orientation may change as well. So that's it. And I'm going to slow that down, but that's the area. So essentially there's a person, they have a gender identity, they identify maybe as male or female or something else, and they're really like, so let's take a male. Okay. A male really likes females. And then they decide they still like females, okay, but they're going to change their gender. And so they change their gender identity to female, and they've changed their gender identity, and they go, they still like female. So then, because they are a female, their base has changed from male to female, and they like female because they like the same gender. They are homosexual, whereas before they were heterosexual. I personally am asexual. I'm not sexually attracted to people. I am a heteroromantic asexual. And so that kind of thing within asexuality can occur as well, because there's the full spectrum of sexual orientations within, like sexual orientations within asexual sexual orientation, or making it more applicable to like the masses, so to speak. So a male who transitions gender to female and likes women both times goes from heterosexual to homosexual. So that's a collision area. Does a person's gender change, and or does their sexual orientation change?